Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your full library not loading games on your Xbox Series X or S. Now, to do this, press the Xbox button, then go on down to My Games and Apps, and then go to See All right here. Now, if you go to the Games section right here, this is the games that are currently installed on your hard drive. So if you see something under here, it's installed. Now we can go on down to the full library right here, and these are games that are on your account. So they're not yet downloaded. You should see a little download symbol next to them, but then you're going to see a play symbol next to the games that are currently downloaded. Now you can go up to the sort option here, and you can go to hidden. Maybe you accidentally hid the game so you can't see it, so you can go to the hidden section and see if it's there. So if the game's still not showing up, let's go back to the home screen and then go up to settings, and then we can go to general and go to network settings and try going offline and then go back online after like 20 to 30 seconds. Otherwise, you could try forgetting your network and then reconnecting to your wireless network, and maybe that will prompt the library to actually load. Now, another thing that we could try is removing our account and then re-adding it. So we can go to account, then go to remove accounts, and then choose your account and remove it. Press the Xbox button, go back over to profile in the system, and then go to add or switch, and you can add a new account under here. And then just select this, and then type in your email address and password again. Now, this is the thing that will probably help most people out. If you do have a USB device plugged in an external hard drive or just a flash drive or something like that, unplug it, and then turn off your Xbox completely by going to this option and unplug it from the wallet for at least 1 minute, and then plug it back in and turn on your Xbox and go back to your library and see if that fixes the issue. You shouldn't need to reset your entire Xbox just because your library isn't loading. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.